In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. I hope so all of you will be fine. Now, today we will start class 9th, subject maths, chapter number 17, practical geometry, exercise 17.1. Question number 1, construct a triangle ABC in which, first of all, we have to do here first part. AB equals to 3.2 centimeter, BC equals to 4.2 centimeter, and CA equals to 5.2 centimeter. Three measurements are given here. First of all, you have to draw a baseline. It's your own choice. You can take any baseline in this part just. So, first of all, I will draw here the baseline AB 3.2 centimeter. I will put here scale and count lines from 3.2. It will be smallest line here, so 3.2 centimeter. Now named as A and B. Now done. Second measurement, BC equals to 4.2 centimeter, so you have to open compass from 0 to 4.2 centimeter. After 4 you will count 2 lines. So check that BC is given here, C not mentioned here, just B is given, so you have to put compass at point B and draw an arc of radius 4.2 centimeter. Now next, third measurement is CA. Okay, now open compass from 0 to 5.2 centimeter. After 5 you will count 2 lines. Now AC, C is not mentioned here, so you have to put compass at point A. Now draw an arc of radius 5.2 centimeter. You have to get the intersection point of two arcs. आपको यहाँ पे टू आर्क्स का इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट मिल चुका है, आप इसको नाम दे दें C का. नाउ ज्वाइन C to B. Now join C to A. That is the required triangle. Now you can write its measurement here. BC equals to 4.2 centimeter and CA equals to 5.2 centimeter. Now that is the required triangle. Now next step is very important. You have to write its steps of construction. Steps of construction means कि आपने इसको किस तरह से कंस्ट्रक्ट किया है, क्या क्या किया. जैसे बिरयानी बनाने की रेसिपी होती है ना, उसमें इंग्रेडिएंट्स दिए गए हैं, फिर तरीका बताया जाता है, ठीक है, क्या क्या आपने करना है, सबसे पहले क्या स्टेप करना. बिल्कुल इसी तरह स्टेप्स ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन में भी हमने ये देखना है कि फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या करना है, सेकंड क्या करना है, थर्ड क्या करना है. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू राइट इट्स फर्स्ट स्टेप. फर्स्ट स्टेप व्हाट वाज, ड्रॉ measurement AB equals to 3.2 centimeter. Now second step here, taking B as a center, draw an arc of radius 4.2 centimeter. Now third step, taking A as a center, draw an arc of radius 5.2 centimeter. Now fourth step, what was here, both arcs intersect each other, यानी एक दूसरे को each other at point C. Now आप यहाँ पे ये भी लिख सकते हैं, इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट नेम्ड एज C. फिफ्थ पार्ट इज join C to A and B. Hence triangle ABC is the required triangle. Required triangle. That was the first part. Now next we will do its second part. First of all, you have to draw a baseline. All three measurements are given here and all are sides. So you have to draw a baseline 4.2 centimeter. After 4 you will count here 2 lines, so named as A, B. You can write its measurement 4.2 centimeter. Now next measurement is BC, so you have to open compass from 0 to 3.9 centimeter. After 3 you have to count 9 lines. So BC, C is not mentioned here, so you have to put compass at point B and draw arc of radius 3.9 centimeter. Now third measurement is 3.6 centimeter. So you have to open compass from 0 to 3.6 centimeter. So CA 3.6, C is not mentioned here, so you have to put compass at point A and draw an arc of radius 3.6 centimeter. So name the intersection point as C. Now join C to B and join C to A. So CB equals to 3.9 centimeter and CA equals to 3.6 centimeter. So that is the required triangle. Okay, you have observed that triangle having three sides and A. This is the corner point. Its other name is vertex. B is vertex, C is vertex. It means triangle having three sides, three angles and three corner points. Where two lines meet, that is known as corner points, and angle will construct here. That is the important information about triangle. So its steps of construction same as question number 1, part number first, because first and second parts are same. So next we will start here third part. Third part is different. Now let's see its third part. Third part is AB equals to 4.8, BC equals to 3.7 and angle B equals to 60 degree. So check that here two sides are mentioned and one is angle. So you have to take baseline what will be. So let's see, angle will construct at point B. So you have to take baseline here AB or BC because B is present in both measurements. Angle B mention है तो आप B वाली measurement base लेंगे. ए बी यहाँ पे भी है, बी यहाँ पे भी है, तो इसलिए आप दोनों में से कोई सी भी मेजरमेंट एज अ बेस लाइन ले सकते हैं. दैट इज़ द की पॉइंट. ओके, नाउ यू हैव टू कंस्ट्रक्ट हियर बेस लाइन 4.8 centimeter. आफ्टर 4 you have to count 8 lines. That is the baseline named as A and B. Write its measurement 4.8 centimeter. So at B you have to construct an angle of 60 degree. So ये एंगल मैं आपको सिखा चुकी हूँ प्रीवियस वीडियोस में, आप मेरी वो वाली वीडियोस भी चेक कर सकते हैं. मैं यहाँ पे 60 डिग्री का एंगल बनाऊँगी. 60 डिग्री का एंगल बनाने के लिए आप अपनी मर्ज़ी से कंपास ओपन करेंगे और जितनी कंपास आप एक दफ़ा ओपन कर लेंगे उसको आपने कम या ज़्यादा नहीं करना जब तक कि आपका एक एंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट नहीं हो जाता. ठीक है, तो ये मैंने अपनी मर्ज़ी से कंपास ओपन कर ली है. ठीक है, मैंने इसे कम या ज़्यादा नहीं करना जब तक कि मेरा एंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट नहीं हो जाता. ठीक है, बी पे रखा और मैंने ये सेमी सर्कल ड्रॉ कर दिया. जहाँ से ये इस लाइन को टच करते हैं इसको 0 डिग्री बोलते हैं. सो पुट कंपास एट 0 डिग्री एंड ड्रॉ फर्स्ट आर्क. यू नो दैट फर्स्ट आर्क इक्वल्स टू 60 डिग्री. सो दैट इज़ द एंगल ऑफ 60 डिग्री. सो यू हैव टू जॉइन दिस पॉइंट विद बी. दैट इज़ द एंगल ऑफ 60 डिग्री. सो यू हैव टू शो हेयर एरो. राइट हेयर 60 डिग्री. So now construct angle. Now BC is 3.7, so you have to open compass from 0 to 3.7. After 3 you have to count 7 lines. Now you have to check that BC, C is not mentioned here, so you have to put compass at point B. So you have to draw an arc of radius 3.7. Now intersection point named as C. So join C to A. Join C to A. Now that will be equals to 3.7 centimeter. So angle line named as, you can write here BP. BP is the angle line of 60 degree. Now you have to write its steps of construction. So first step you have to write here draw a line segment AB equals to 4.8 centimeter. In other words, you can say that draw measurement AB equals to 4.8 centimeter. Now second step, what will be here? Construct an angle of 60 degree at point B. Now third step here, taking B as a center, draw an arc of radius 3.7 centimeter, which cuts BP at point C. Now fourth step here, join C to A. Fifth step, hence triangle ABC is the required triangle. These are the steps of construction. I hope so you have understand this. Exercise 17.1, question number 1, part number first, second and third. So you have also learned the steps of construction, and you have also learned how you can write the steps of construction. So Allah Hafiz to all of you and take care of yourself. Channel अच्छा लगे तो सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो शेयर करें. सो यू हैव टू गिव कमेंट्स ऑन माय वीडियो. आपके कमेंट्स मेरे लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस रखते हैं. आपके जो अच्छे कमेंट्स होंगे उन्हीं से ही मुझे मेरी हौसला अफजाई होगी और मैं नेक्स्ट न्यू वीडियोस बनाऊंगी. अल्लाह हाफिज़ टू ऑल ऑफ़ यू एंड टेक केयर ऑफ़ योरसेल्फ.